Okay, this is going to be a little overview of the basic functions of the Complete Anatomy app by 3D4 Medical. So this is a 3D educational app that can be used by medical and allied health students as well as clinicians for patient education. Various features including rotation, zoom, creating different cross-sectional views, and layering options of the various systems of the body are available when using this app. Information on each structure is provided when that structure is selected. It's ultimately highlighted. And there's additional video library content specific to various pathologies. In order to gain access, you can make one payment of $24.99 on the Android or Apple App Store. It can be used then on the device that it's purchased on, and then you'll be prompted to create login credentials. So how do we use the app? We're going to do a little demo here of using the app from a basic functionality perspective. When you first open the Complete Anatomy app, you'll see the complete skeletal system here. If you look along the bottom of your screen, you can see various icons of the different systems for the body. On the right-hand side, you can see where we would access library content, additional store purchases you can make, and then the various tools you can use with the app itself. Let's begin using the app now. So if we come down here to the muscular icon, there's 7 layers. We'll click up to layer 4. And then from here, we're going to zoom in. So if we right click and hold, we can pan. Left click, we can rotate. And then if we scroll up using our mouse, we can zoom in, scroll down to scroll out. Using some of the tools now, so we come over to the tools icon. We'll click spurs. We'll add some spurs over here, the anterior surface of the humeral trochlea as well as the capitulum. We can then clear the spurs over here on the top left. Click done, and that takes us out of the tools section. We come over here to library. So we type in heart. We have different options here that come up, different views of the heart, emphasizing different particular subsets of anatomy within the heart. Come over here, we'll pull up this model. So we can zoom in. We see our different options over on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. We select here, we can see the anterior interventricular branch of the left coronary artery, and then from there we can still rotate. To get rid of this section here, we just X out. Here we return back to the home screen with our initial base skeletal system. We want to use some additional tools here. What we can do, we'll pan down, zoom in, go to the distal tibia tools. Let's create a few fractures here. Okay, so we have our different fractures. We want to clear those. Just click clear fractures and then done. We can zoom back out. Come back to our base view here. So that's just a brief overview of using the app. Again, we can look at other systems, the neurological system, same thing, adding layers, removing layers. So these concepts really apply to the different systems of the body. It's just kind of up to you what you want to actually look at and educate your patients or actually study for yourself. So if there are any questions with using the app, by all means don't hesitate to contact me. My email is sean.christie@rm.edu. And best of luck to you in using the app with all of your own education as well as the education you provide your patients in clinic. Thank you.